Hello YouTube, welcome to the last episode of the boombox build. We are done with the back. This is a piece of, well actually two pieces because real thin plexiglass, clear plastic spray painted. Here's our connections. They're the same as what I ordered for my power supply. Right now we're just using our little battery as we was testing over here. I'll take a picture of that. It's only a 5 amp hour battery. You're not going to get a whole lot of life out of it. I can get a couple days just playing around if I don't crank it up. Here's my connections. You can either hook regular car antenna as an end like this. This is just an adapter to hook like your CB coax in. Or I could put like that, like off a CB radio coax. So these two jacks work together. I can use whatever I want. Like I said, you could use this adapter if this is all you had. I just thought I'd show you that. I have all kinds of adapters. So I thought I'd show you those. I have a really nice battery charger. I made a video on it. Let me spin you around here. This will charge these absorbed glass mat. It says AGM or standard. That's what that little battery is. It's not a gel battery. It does have acid, but it's like fiberglass mat. That's why it's called absorbed glass mat. We've been using a heater. Since we bought the fireplace heater for the house, this got to come out to the shed. So that says 63, but it's 68 on one thermometer and the other one is about 75 over there. So don't go by that. I'm plenty warm out here. And I need to shut that off pretty soon. I kind of monitor it so it don't overheat, even though I got on my welding cord, my heavy duty drop cord. I do monitor that. So enough of that. Okay. We'll pause here. We'll think of any couple of little things we can show you. Give you another view of the front. That's 3.5 inch hole. When I was listening to this the other evening, the one that had the full cover on it compared to the one with no cover, had a cover on one side, the speaker was not moving in and out freely like it should. Like on your bass, your woofer, boom, boom, boom. It wasn't moving like it should. The one without the cover had no problem, so that ought to be a plenty big enough hole. That's just window screen tape with some foil duct tape. It's the foil type aluminum tape, and that's fiberglass cloth screen like you use in your house. It's not metal. So there you go. We'll flip this thing around, show you just a couple more little views of the front. I'm sure everybody's seen that in the videos I posted yesterday or the other day. I can't remember it all. It's all a blur with this weather. Fighting the snow and the cold to finish this project out here. So stay tuned. We'll show you just a little bit more and then we'll give you some pictures. Okay, I'm sure everybody's seen the front before, but this is only half the tools I've used. I have a bunch of stuff, tools and supplies, bags of parts. I have, that's most of the parts. I have more tools laying over on the desk or what I've used to build this project. I don't know if I ever showed the remote. This comes with a nice little remote. A lot of these remotes, you look at these radios, no matter what brand, they're almost all the same and same functions. So, once you learn one radio, the other one's about the same. My battery symbol keeps flashing, but sorry I can't play this on YouTube. I did post a sneak peek video. That is YouTube music. I did post it in the description so people know I'm not playing the stereo on my YouTube channel. Don't want to get in trouble. So I use free YouTube music just for a little teaser video to show this. But thanks for watching. Thanks to everybody who's watched the whole series here on this. It was fun. This thing's big. I can't tell you the measurements right now. It's wrote down somewhere. Here. Let's just extend the video a little bit more. Why not? This thing's about 31 inches long. And it's 11 inches tall. So, there you go. About 31 inches long. So there you go. There is the measurement approximate of this thing. And it's over 6 inches deep. It's not quite 7 inches. So the depth is approximate what I'm giving. So, thanks for watching. I'll try to leave you plenty of pictures of stuff that are parts of this. And like the battery charger, things like that in the battery. So, thank you again for watching.